Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. I am Aishwarya Saxena and in this video I am going to talk about some important IDEs, those are the online IDEs. As in the previous video I promised that I will be discussing some online IDEs with you. So today I will be talking about Repellent.com. There are many more IDEs which I will be discussing and exploring in this series. So do not worry, stay tuned in the series and I will be sharing a lot of information with you which will be really helpful in your coding career. I have already discussed the IDLE in the previous session. IDLE is an offline IDE, whereas revelit.com is the online IDE. I will be also sharing the link in the description so you can just take it from it. There you won't be facing any problem. It's quite easy to use the Repellent. You can just sign up here with your Gmail account. I have already signed up here. That's why I will be going to the login option. And it's quite simple. You can see I have logged in myself with the Gmail account. So here you can see my name is written. If I just log out from here to show you the stuff, let me make it once again. Here I'm going to the login option and then it will ask me to sign it like simply with the Gmail. So I can just choose my account directly and it's quite simple. So here we go, and you can see that I am able to log in here with my Gmail. You will be also able to do the same very easily. It's just a click. What is the benefit of using online IDEs? With the help of online IDE, you can simply code anywhere, even from your mobile phone. You will be able to code here, and you won't be facing any problem. Your mobile, tablet, and you don't have to install anything in any system or device. And if in case you are somewhere where you do not have your laptop or something, you can say you don't have any, like you can say, machine in which you can run your codes, and your perfect system is not with you. So simply the online IDEs are the best source for that. You can keep your projects here, you can create all your stuff and keep it here, and you can access it from anywhere because it is a cloud. Look, so simply wherever you log in your phone, in your tablet, in your home, in your college, anywhere, you can just access your work very easily with the help of the online IDEs, and revelit.com is the best of it. I will be discussing more, as I said, I will be discussing more IDEs, I will be exploring them, I will be doing the coding on them, everything I will share in this series. So please stay tuned. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe Coding Studies. So here you can see the few stuff is coming here by default, and you can create your REPL from here. You can just choose any one of it. Like you can see, I just named one day Ashwarya underscore Repellent. This I just named it. So this is also present. You can just open this one directly, or you can just create your own. So I'm just going to the option to create own REPL, or you can create the REPL from here also because we are working with the Python programming. So you can directly go to the create Python option. Otherwise, you can go to this one. So you will be getting more options here. HTML, Notepad, whatever you want. No, there are so many options available for any coding, any programming language. You can say for any programming language, you can go for it. The Repellent. You can see for Kinter, the Repellent is different. It's given here for PHP, for C Sharp, for Turtle, and normal Python. This is here. So here you can see I can just give the title here. I'm writing here the title coding turns series and create REPL. So I will be able to get a REPL here. You can see the name coding instant series is present, and it is quite soothing place which you can see on the screen where here your files and folders are visible, the pane, and you can just compress this pane like this, open it once again. Here you can see this is the main.py, that is the default place where you can code. And here you can see this is the console where the output will be coming. This is the shell. This is the place from where you can run the code which you have done on this main.py, or you can just press Control Enter. Although we have just seen the arithmetic operators in the previous series, previous video, and today I'm just jumping to this online IDE. So I will be telling some codes, the basic programming in Python, that you can say the procedural approach codes we will be doing, and I will be explaining more about the Repellent. This is going to be a long series where will be like I think 150 plus videos with multiple projects even. So you have to have some patience. I don't know which day when you are watching it, But whenever you are watching, always try to watch the previous videos and try to line up with some more upcoming videos. So like you will be having great knowledge in, like you can say, at a time, because all the videos are linked with each other. So here I can create a folder also. And whenever you run the code, you have to make sure that you are running it on the main.py. Suppose I'm just going to create a program of addition. I will be explaining these things once again when we will be working on the offline IDEs, and it's not that we won't be working. In this series, both will be told to you. So here you can see, because this tool of AI is present, so you can get some code by default, by or like automatically generated code, which is coming because of the AI present here. But I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to tell you the basic addition where you can use the input function. So I'm just taking here a equals to integer. Actually, we have to take input, so I'm just taking here input, enter, let's say first number, because I'm just making a very basic code of addition of two numbers. So enter second number, this way, the very basic, as you do in your other programming languages. So here c equals to a plus b. My main agenda to discuss this code is not to tell you addition actually, but there are many more things which I would like to discuss with you with this code actually. Here, this addition which I have written in this hash, like hash addition, this is not a hashtag. Few new learners influence from the different social like handles say that it is a hashtag. No, it's not a hashtag. It's hash addition. Hash is used basically to give the comments in Python. And when you are using this comment means it is a non-executable code. That means it is a Python code because you have used this hash. But actually, it is not going to give us any output. If you're writing here c equals to a plus b, so it won't give any output because hash is used here and it is a comment. Comments are basically used for the documentation purposes. Now you can see I have not used any data type here because I told you in the introductory videos that you do not have to worry about the data types at the time of the variable declaration. So we have directly taken the variables, and whatever we want to do, we have taken here. And print function is basically used to print the stuff. So I'm just giving here a message addition, and I'm taking here C with a comma. So this comma is basically used for the concatenation purpose. That means whatever you are doing, like this is one string, in double quotes we have given it is a string, and it's string we have given it is a message, and this is one another string only. But here we are actually taking the value, that's why we are not taking the double quotation mark. So to concatenate them means one after the other, this will be coming after addition, the value of c will be coming. So I'm just going to run it, and here you can see it's asking me to enter the first number, and I'm taking one more number. Now you all can please comment in the comment section below that what would be the output according to you. Tell me fast. I hope you have commented till now. If you have not have yet commented, so just comment down, because it's not necessary that your answer will be correct. Let's press enter. And here you can see the answer is addition colon 7823. Now you must be wondering, if you are new to this Python, so you must be wondering that why this 7823 is coming. Actually, this is the purpose of discussing this very basic program, because here you can see when we are taking input, so input is actually able to take the input in the string format. By default, this input takes the input in the string format. Means it is appending, like 7 8 is a string, then 2 3 is a string, so it is appended after one after the other because of this plus symbol. But if you want it to be an integer, so what should be done? So in that case, you have to parse it, you have to convert it. So now what we are doing, we are actually converting the value which we have taken, and we are just converting it to the integer. Now, this string value is converted, or you can say parsed, into the integer format. Now, if I run this and I just take some values, let's say 7823, once again, I'm taking the same value. Okay, 7823, suppose. I have taken the same value, and now you can see 101 we have obtained, because now we are able to get the addition value because we have taken it in integer format. So addition was also getting done that time, but that time in the previous RV code, actually it was addition of strings, and when we add the string, so it will be appended one after the other. So this is a very simple thing, and you can create files also. Suppose I have just taken this code away from here, I'm creating a file here. I'm writing here, let's say pro1, or I'm writing here addition.py. .py is the extension of any Python file. Okay, I'm writing here pro1, and here I'm just checking this pro1, so you can see by default the extension is not coming, so you can rename it, and here you can just put py to make it a Python file. So now this code I have just pasted here, and I have just kept my code here. Suppose this is my one file, okay. Now you can create multiple files and you can create the folders here. It's quite simple. Suppose I am creating here the folder with the name project or learning at coding stunts, whatever you prefer. You can name the folder actually. So this way, like you can just create the folder. So I have just named as learning underscore at underscore coding starts, and you can just keep your files here like this. So you can see now your Pro one is actually inside this folder. There are many options on this Replit. With the help of that, you will be able to upload your pre-designed folder. You can upload your files from the system. You can upload your folder from the system. You can download your folder in the zip format. That means compressed format. So if you, in case you are coding here, you are keeping all your things online only. You are not keeping your things on the offline. You have not even installed your Python in the system. It's not necessary to install Python every time. Why? Because you have Replit. So simply, you can just keep all your files here in your folder with whatever name you prefer, and then you can download it. So in case suppose I can take many files here. Actually, let me create some more programs in this video only. I know this video is going longer, but take it like in a cool manner because you have to learn. So either it is a 10 minutes video, 5 minutes video, or 1 hour video. Although I'm not stretching it to 1 hour, but yes, I would like to discuss one more program. Then I will be telling how to explore these folders, downloading the folder, and everything. So we will be able to move further with the concepts in a better manner. Because on the request of many people, I have created this entire series I am creating with the online IDEs. So it's necessary to discuss the online IDEs also in a better way. So suppose I'm just like taking some one more code. Let's say we are going for simple interest, and simple interest, it's float. So you can just see this AI is telling us that how to work with it. But I'm not going to use this AI. I'm just taking RT upon 100 directly. And this time I'm directly taking the float because I have told you that by default it will be taking a string and you don't need a string. So like enter principal amount, then R equals to float input, enter rate of interest. Oh, sorry. And float input. Like time you can take an integer also. Right now I'm just taking everything in float, and this way you can just work on it. Let's run it. So here you can see it is like this bracket is very necessary. Okay, so don't skip it. But mass is strictly followed here also. You can see I'm not using any semicolons in the end, and it's not necessary. It's not compulsory. You can put it. It will be not giving us any error, but still it's not so far necessary in the Python programming to keep the semicolon at the end of any statement. Okay, so let's take 56,000, 4.5 rate of interest, and let's say 12 months I have taken as the time period. So we have obtained the simple interest. Now, here I can just take this code and I can just keep it in a folder like our folder. We can just create a program file here, add file. So I am just trying to tell you different options. Firstly, I created a file and then I moved it in the folder. This time I am creating a file inside the folder directly, pro2.py suppose, and I've just pasted my code here. But where it has gone? Here it is. Okay, so suppose now this is our folder, ready folder. Suppose there are 100 files or you have your entire project here. Then you can download it. That's just click on this folder, or here you have the option to download as zip. So download as zip will be giving you the option to download. You can see this is downloaded, the entire coding stunt series. So you can create multiple folders here, multiple files here. Everything will be downloaded along with it, because this coding stunt series which I have created, this is our project kind of. These are different folders which we are taking inside that. So this coding stunt series is downloaded here, where your learning at coding stunts is also present, your program files. You can see, by the way, here this is coming in this PC format. I'm just zooming it to show it to you because I'm taking care of the beginners also. In the starting videos with the people who are already knowing Python, they will be thinking that why and what we are doing. But actually, for the beginners, it's quite necessary. So let me take care of them also. So this PC is actually showing for the PyCharm, and you can see why it is showing the PyCharm, because in my system PyCharm is installed. I will be discussing about PyCharm also further. So here you can see this way you have got, and your main file, all other things which were present there, everything is there. Okay, whatever you require, whatever you don't require, but yes, when you download it, the zip, so everything there will be downloaded. You can keep it, you can delete it, it's completely up to you. You can recreate it. So this was it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Whatever you feel like, whatever queries you are having or any comments you are having, please put it in the comment section below. I will love to get your comments in the comment section, and I hope you have liked the video till now. And in case you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe Coding Stunts, because that is going to be really helpful to you. I am trying my best to upload the useful content on this channel, Coding Stunts. And you can check the playlist section also, because here I have also uploaded the cybersecurity playlist, which is already having 29 videos. So please go and watch them. This is software engineering playlist. And new to this channel, so please subscribe. That will be really helpful to me and you also. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep coding.